experiment to study how your sense of smell affects your sense of taste, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is you're going to put a nose clip on your nose where you can't smell, and then I'm going to give you the thing to taste, and you're going to guess what it is, and once you have both made a guess, you can remove the nose clip and you can taste it again, and then you can see, you can try to guess again, and then we'll move on, and we have 10 things to try total. In between every time we change the food, we're gonna take a drink of water and just kind of like swish it around your mouth. It's like a palate cleanser, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Any questions?
Nope.
Okay. Then we'll start.
You put it on? No.
Yep, put the nose things on.
Nose clips.
Okay, so here is, it's in the bowl in front of you. I'm gonna let you find it. Just go around the edge until you find the handle. There you go.
Is it in a spoon?
Yep, it's in a spoon. Everything will be in a spoon.
Go ahead. In there?
Yep,
Go
you're
ahead.
good.
Ew.
Don't take your nose clip off until you guess.
Until you both guess.
Mm-hmm.
It's chocolate? Yeah, chocolate syrup?
Take off your nose clip.
Yeah, it's chocolate syrup.
Ree went back for
That wasn't
seconds.
so bad, was it?
I couldn't get the spoon in my mouth like the first time. I can't see anything.
Okay, now I'm gonna wash off the spoons. You guys get a drink of water.
Swish around your mouth a
They
little
have
bit.
straws for your convenience. Hot, 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 cold, cold, cold.
Cocoa.
Make sure you get a good drink.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
Maybe.
Nose clip.
Nose clip? Put it up
Nose
so I
clip.
can get the spoon in my mouth.
As long as you can't smell.
What if we taste syrup?
What if you taste what?
Chocolate syrup.
I'm gonna put it at a different point in the bowl where it won't make contact.
I could fall asleep.
Okay, there you go.
And it's already in the spoon?
Yep, just go around the edges of the bowl till you find the handle.
In the spoon already.
You don't have to scoop it up. Just taste it.
Hot. Oh.
Hot sauce.
Hey.
Why did it say that?
Well, take off you both guess, take it off your nose.
How do you know?
It was spicy. I burned my tongue. I can feel the burning.
Get you a good swish.
I know my foods.
When me and Brooke got that one, we were like burning off our tongues.
Yeah, don't say
Okay.
Got your mouth swished out good?
No.
Yeah, get your mouth swished out good.
What's the straw? I don't like that one.
Do you normally like hot sauce on things?
Yeah,
No.
I do.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, ready for your next one?
Yes.
Nose clip.
Okay. There you go.
Ah.
Oh.
And jelly? Is it jelly?
Is it, yeah, jelly.
What kind of jelly?
Strawberry?
I don't know. Grape strawberry? Can I do a blindfold? I mean,
Yes, you can take your nose clip off.
what's strawberry?
Strawberry.
See, as soon as they take their nose clips off, they know.
Well, let's go from the texture.
That it was jelly?
Mm-hmm.
Take a
But
drink.
you can't taste anything because you can't tell what flavor it is. Okay, you're ready. Okay, nose clip back on. We'll go to the next one.
I want to choke.
Okay, this one I have to actually hand to you because You don't want to tilt the spoon.
You should just put it in their mouth.
Yeah, feed it to us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. Ready? Here comes the train. There you go.
It's either lemon or lime juice, I think.
Yeah.
Which one?
Lemon.
Lemon?
Okay, take them off.
That's lime. Yeah.
Think slime?
Yeah. It was dripped on me. It's lime juice.
Okay, moving on. Go ahead and put your nose clip back on.
Do you have to put this next one in our mouth?
No. Okay. You can find your.
Ella.
She said, "Excuse me." It
Sit
happens.
down.
Go.
Syrup?
What kind of syrup?
Honey?
Maple syrup?
You got a maple syrup and a honey.
Okay.
Yes.
And syrup. Yeah.
Maple syrup.
Yes.
Okay.
Next. Now I want pancakes. I hate them.
My lips still burn.
Yeah, mine too.
Y'all are weak. Weak.
You swallow.
Make sure I still get the spoons right. Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to swallow with that nose clip on, isn't it?
Okay. There you go.
My ears pop every
All right, ready?
So I can't find the spoon.
Yeah, me neither. Oh,
Can I
Go.
Go.
it dripped on me. I don't know.
Caramel.
It sounds sweet.
Guess, Ella.
Okay.
Syrup again.
Take off the nose things.
Syrup again.
Oh, syrup. I got it right.
You don't know yet.
Whatever it was.
It would be interesting to put the same thing in there twice and see if they recognize it.
Oh, so what? We can hear you.
I know. I'm just saying for an idea. Like if he needs an extension or something.
That tasted like syrup though, so I'm scared. Wait, maybe it was honey. No, it didn't taste like honey.
Okay.
What did I say? I don't remember.
You said
Caramel.
caramel.
Nose clip?
Nose clip. You guys want to take a drink?
Oh no.
Nope. Well,
Yeah, take a drink. Cleanse your palate. Like he said.
It's hard to take a drink with the nose clip on.
Yes, it is.
that's why you don't.
Okay. I'm gonna hand these to y'all.
What?
Spoon.
What is that? Put it by hand backwards. Can I go?
Go.
Yeah. Go.
Ketchup.
I know.
What is it, Elle?
Tangy something.
What is it?
Ketchup.
Okay. Remove your nose clips.
Ketchup.
You love ketchup. Why are you yucking?
She secretly knows it's gross.
Tastes like sloppy joes.
I love ketchup.
It does.
Tastes like gross.
It's stuck in your mouth.
Okay. 3 more.
Nose clips on.
I'm
Palate's
also
cleansed.
going to hand this one to you.
Just feed it to him. Feed it to him.
Well, I can only do one at a time then.
What? Here, I'll do one.
Okay.
My breath.
3, 2, 1.
Hot sauce?
Lemon juice.
I don't know.
Okay.
Lemon juice. Well, maybe that's lime. Why did I say hot sauce?
Lime juice.
What is it now, Ray?
It's lime juice.
Lime juice. I think like the way it like felt in my mouth.
Mm-hmm. The
Or
texture
maybe I
throws
just-
you.
Maybe I just taste hot sauce now.
Drink of water. Nose plugs. 2 more. Okay.
What?
Ready?
Hands, mouth, bowl.
Bowl.
I don't have anything in my bowl.
Nope.
No.
Now you do.
You sure?
Yeah, go.
Ah! What's that?
Barbecue sauce? Ew.
Uh,
What is it, Ella?
I don't know.
You gotta say something.
Yep. I need an answer.
Barbecue.
You gotta remove your nose clip.
It's barbecue.
Would you have got there if Rihanna hadn't said it?
Maybe,
I
because I can taste
tasted
just
like-
a tiny bit.
I tasted like I felt like the things in it. Like
The thing.
the pepper.
Yeah, the pepper flakes.
Mm-hmm.
So I think texture gives us a lot of clues.
Yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm. That's what we're seeing.
I think if there were different textures, if I choose a bunch of similar ones,
Mm-hmm.
then it would be completely.
Yeah, it'd be a little different.
What was that?
Drink of water?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it's still in there. I'm trying not to waste all the water, though.
It's okay, you're almost done.
Ugh.
Yeah, this is the last one, so.
Oh, what was that?
Nose clips?
Okay.
Hand,
3, 2,
mouth.
1, go. Bowl.
Where's that? Oh, it's sticky. Honey. There's honey. Because it was so sticky and thick.
Say texture again.
Honey.
Okay, remove them.
Honey.
Yeah, I don't like honey.
Really? I put honey as the last thing so everybody can enjoy it.
I like it.
Okay. You can take off the blindfolds.
I can't.
You wanna know how you did? What everything is?
I got like a
Did pretty
9
good.
out of 10.
You guys got
I got all of them.
everything right except for a couple small things. They're group 2. All of this. Oops, no. That highlighted section, that's them. The first one, chocolate syrup. Y'all got that right. The second one was hot sauce. Y'all got that one right. Third, strawberry jelly. Y'all got that right too. Fourth, I could just look at them. Fourth was lemon juice. Y'all got that right. And then after you took off your nose things, you said it was lime. That's the one y'all got wrong. That's caramel, and y'all said it was
Maple syrup.
syrup. And then maple
said
syrup was
caramel or
after
something.
it.
The maple syrup.
You said caramel from. You got them mixed up somehow. That's ketchup. She's got a G on the cup for gross. Then after that was lime juice and barbecue sauce, and last one's honey.
Good job.
Honey, probably caramel is my favorite.
Caramel.